How much is your Pokemon cards?
Give me. What's it worth to you?
So is this just an empty case?
It's a working computer.
Oh, it does work?
Yeah, he said it's a little bit slow, but it works fine other than that.
How much is he looking for on that?
On that, I think he said that's just free. Like if anybody
Oh, really?
wants it. Yeah.
What about this?
I think he said $1 for this stuff.
$1 plus free.
Yeah.
I mean, the prices are right. Can't really knock his
This one is
pricing.
$3, and then everything else is $1 except that. And then the desk is actually for
All right, I'll take that bundle.
Sure. What a steal, right?
Yeah, I mean, I'll part it out. So take out the stuff I want and get rid of the rest.
Yeah, I think one of his friends actually did that to build that.
Yeah,
And so he
exactly.
used
Yeah,
it
you
for
can
a number.
customize stuff. So
Yeah, very
definitely
cool.
should be able to get some components. Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Alias.
Are you selling this separate from the donut maker?
It goes with it. It's like the little cooling rack for it. Okay. And then I had a family recipe in there too, in the bag.
Okay.
Because I think I just looked at one online and see how it
Excuse me.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. A little cooling rack goes with that.
Okay.
What'd you get? A little pop maker?
Cake things. I remember having
They make
one
the
when I was-
pops, right?
Yeah, they
Oh, donuts. Donuts, nice. Okay. Oh, I need to pay for this. $1. A quarter for that? Elijah, you have a quarter?
It's in the car.
Oh,
I mean, if you want it, you can have it.
okay. Thank you.
I've had it for like 2 years and probably used it twice. So.
Gotcha. Yeah, all
Do
right,
you
cool.
want a bag for anything?
No, I think I'm all right. Thank you, you too.
You want me to help carrying anything?
I don't know yet. I might just take 2 trips. I was kind of seeing if there was handles. There's not.
Yeah, no, I can help with that.
Oh, you can? Okay, cool. Thank you.
Yes, it's going.
It's going. It's out of your way.
Nice, yeah. Did she tell you it still works, but it's really slow? And
Yeah, that's what she said. I told her I'd see if I could scrap any of it for
Gotcha.
my like other computers or anything like that. Maybe there's a hard drive I could use out of it. I don't know. I'll find something to do with it. Always buying junk, right?
Is this heavy?
Also, the case is just kind of cool.
Yeah, it is.
Space Invaders.
You see the little dog?
Yeah. Adorable.
Thank you. Have a good one.
This looks fun. How much is Space Invaders?
$5.
$5? How much is your little Sony radio?
Sorry? Oh, I'm afraid he's gonna bite somebody.
Dollar General.
Radio, $2.
$2? Yeah. Alright, I'm still thinking.
All right.
How much is your
The Freon,
crayon? Yeah.
$5. Cause they're really pricey.
Are they?
Yeah.
And that works with any car? Is that
That I know of. It's supposed to.
We found 140.
okay?
30.
How much if I just bought them all?
If you bought them all.
Any multi-quantity?
Πόσα είναι?
Any multi-quantity discount?
Πόσα είναι?
You want them for $40? That'll be at $4 each for 10.
Εδώ 45 πες τα παρόλα.
You throw in the radio for me?
All right.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. I should have brought a bag.
I can hold some.
Ooh, Mandalorian shirt, Elijah.
There's a couple Star Wars shirts in there.
Are you small? Let me see your shirt. You are. And the t-shirts are 50 cents?
Yes, the short sleeve is 50.
Okay. I'm shopping for you. You guys bringing out any video games?
No, we don't have any.
Okay. Adult 8, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're kind of that youth and then small adult.
Well, I was trying to see. Let me see your foot. That's about you. Let's see here. Okay. Oh, Star Wars figures.
They're $1 each.
It's fun. Legos. Christmas houses. All right, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7.
Alrighty.
Let's make it 10 and I'll take these 30.
Okay, that sounds good. Do you need a bag or anything?
If you got one, I'll take one.
Okay.
Well, let's see what we can find. Next. $2,005. Can't believe that game. We paid more than $1 then. We paid more than $1 on it.
Could have just waited.
Yeah, it would have been a better way to do it. Does Anna like Ramona?
Ramona. I have no idea what Ramona is.
The books?
Oh, Ramona.
She might. There you go.
Thank you.
This book here. How much is your insect fogger?
30.
Okay. Books for a quarter. What is this? A heat mat. That's nifty. Nifty gifty. I want that. I just don't want to wait for them to come outside. I'll give them like 10 more seconds and then I'm leaving. A ring light, that's kind of handy too. I want both these things.
Hey,
How you doing?
how are you?
Good. How much you selling your little drawers for?
You can have that for 3.
3. What about your ring light?
That,
3 also. I'm just trying to get this crap out of here, honestly.
So would you do 5 for both?
Yes.
Okay. What is an easy tracer?
So that is what you do. There's a little thing where you slide your artwork under here and it projects it on the wall.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Huh. Here's $5.
Yeah, see the mirror right there? It would go under it. The light would shine up and it would reflect off.
How much is that thing?
5.
$5 for that.
Oh,
Okay. Thank you. These lights are kind of cool too, Alicia.
Yeah.
It's cool stuff. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ooh, car stuff. La 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 la.
James's chair.
How much will it be?
You got the Nintendo? 10. Pardon?
Yeah, Ford.
Nothing in the garage is for sale.
Original DS.
That's all right, no. Yeah, I bet you were. I like your dog.
Oh, thank you.
Literally.
The last time they played it. GameStop. Enjoy. No, this is good.
What, the dog? I've seen better days. How much is your Pokemon cards?
Give me. What's it worth to you?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
$5 price. Think
$5 what I was thinking. Do you have any more N64 stuff?
What's theirs? What's
Gotcha.
there? Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you say 5?
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking too.
Yeah.
Is that what
okay.
you were thinking?
That's exactly
Okay,
what I was
good.
thinking, yeah.
All right.
Take it
How
up
much
on
is this little
$1.
accessory? Yeah. Thank you.
Enjoy sorting things.
Yeah, it'll be a fun. Oh, Elijah, you ever seen these? You like
Nests.
throw them, right?
Rattlers.
Yeah, they're not too rattly when they're wet, I guess. Yeah, there you go. They're fun.
Toss them just right.
How much is your RC car stuff?
Annette, your RC car stuff? You give me $20, you can take everything.
Yeah,
Yeah.
certainly looks like an interesting project.
Yeah. It was. You can take the totes too. You have everything.
Mini T. For the RC cars, 20 bucks, she said.
Okay. And the tote.
So both totes, she said, of RC car stuff. So. For the car stuff?
Oh, take it.
Yeah.
$20?
Yeah. This was part of it too?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So both take.
You get the one
Okay.
on the table.
Yeah,
Take
yeah,
that
the one
too.
with two. Oh yeah,
That
this
goes to
and this
the
one
little
of them. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Just coming in here and
How much are your records?
records?
How much are the records?
$10. Take them.
Okay. I'll do it.
You can take Jesus with you.
All right. Excuse me.
You need to find
Have fun.
Thanks.
Feels good, doesn't it? Isn't it fun?
Oh yeah. Robin Williams. Disco duck. Elijah, look. Disco duck.
Mine and mine when I was in high school.
That's fun.
And
Herb Alpert.
I'm 56.
Oh, Muppets.
So
Oh, okay, yeah. The Muppets.
my personal record.
Love them.
I just
Gotta get rid of them, huh?
keep everything.
No, yeah, eventually. Gotta get rid of some of it.
Got the instructions. All the doodads, you want them to go in.
No, I don't even have a record player anymore.
I've got 2. It's coming back a little.
It is.
Yeah.
Your generation, a little bit younger, starting
Yeah.
to get into vinyl.
Yep.
Because they grew up with cassettes and CDs.
Yeah. How much is this?
$1.
Okay. Oh, globe is cool. Ooh, That's precarious. Elijah, they don't want $1 for that. Might be worth it. You can get it if you want.
These plushes are interesting.
I've seen that banana one. I like to look at the years on them. Toy Factory.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. Captain Kid Otter. That might be good. Never seen him before. You can keep looking. I'm going to start bringing some trips because I bought a bunch of stuff. Hey guys, thank you for coming with me on that sale. Definitely got some really cool stuff in that big haul of RC car stuff. Also, I got a ton of Muppet records. Muppet records are consistently good for me, selling for, you know, $10 to $25 depending on which one. And the RC car stuff is just hundreds of dollars worth of items that I do need to go through and list, and I have not gone through yet because it is going to be a bit of a project. As I film this outro without even talking about the Pokemon cards, guys, I got a ridiculous amount of Pokemon cards for $5 at that sale. This whole thing is full of them. Ugh, they're even pouring out. The vast majority of these are from the late 90s. So here's like a Zubat Fossil 1999. This is like a $3 card. I am not a pro on cards. I do know some people that are decent at cards, but I pulled out some random cool ones, like a bunch of these Pocket Monster ones, which are Japanese on one side and say Pocket Monsters 1996 on the back. I think all of those are probably decent. I've got these, which are unique. These are 2006 World Champions. I've never seen those before. Again, more Pocket Monsters. I've got things like this from 2000. You know, just loads and loads of cards. I mean, $5, guys, $5. Just like one of these cards is worth $5. I did find one. This one, Misty's Tenter Curl or whatever. Looks like it has sold on eBay recently for $30. Just this one card. And I paid $5 for the whole entire box of them. This is the kind of yard sale haul a lot of people dream of. It's actually kind of sad that it fell into my hands because I know the least about Pokemon, but I will definitely put them to good use, find people who do want to buy them, and, you know, repurpose them and get them back out into the wild. But just a crazy collection for $5. Comment down below, guys. Do you think I got some good stuff in here? I can show you just a couple, you know, just so you can see some of the examples. Like, a lot of these, like, there's a lot of things that are boring, like promo cards, but I mean, I called one friend, a guy named Paul, the Philly Flipper, who does, like, Pokemons, and every time I show him one, he's like, ooh, hold that one up again? Like, he just got really into it, which just tells me that, like, you know, for a Pokemon person, this is going to be, like, a really cool little haul. That one's super shiny. That's from 2007, so that one's not super old, but it's cool. So, I mean, now begins the task of looking through them. Awesome haul. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Bye-bye.